Assalamu alaikum kids. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Mariam Shafi and today we are going to learn some few words in Arabic. So today we will learn how to introduce ourselves in Arabic. The first word is Ma ismuka. What is your name? And Ma ismuki. What is your name? So where are we going to use Ma ismuka and Ma ismuki? We will use Ma ismuka when we want to ask a boy what is your name. And we will use Ma ismuki when we want to ask a girl what is your name. For example, you want to ask your sister what is your name, you will use Ma ismuki. And when you want to ask your brother what is your name, you'll use Ma ismuka. When you are asked Ma ismuka or Ma ismuki, what are you going to answer? You'll answer Ismi dash. My name is dash. For example, your name is Muhammad. You'll say Ismi Muhammad, which means my name is Muhammad. And for example, your name is Khadija. You will say Ismi Khadija. My name is Khadija. Our second word is Min aina anta. Where are you from? And Min aina anti. Where are you from? So, where are we going to use Min aina anta and Min aina anti? We will use Min aina anta when we want to ask a boy where are you from. And we will use Min aina anti when we want to ask a girl where are you from. And when you are asked Min aina anta or Min aina anti, what are you going to answer? You will answer Ana min dash. For example, you are from Mombasa, you will say Ana min Mombasa, which means I am from Mombasa. Or maybe you are from Nairobi, you will say Ana min Nairobi, I am from Nairobi. And our third word is Kam umruka. How old are you? And Kam umruki. How old are you? We will use Kam umruka when we want to ask a boy, how old are you? And we will use Kam umruki when we want to ask a girl, how old are you? And when you are asked Kam umruka or Kam umruki, you are going to answer Ana dash sanawat. I am dash years old. For example, you are 10 years old. You will say Ana ashara sanawat. I am 10 years old. Now let's repeat what we have learned today. Ma ismuka and Ma ismuki. Ma ismuka means what is your name when you want to ask a boy. And Ma ismuki, it means what is your name when you are asking a girl. And what is your response? You will answer Ismi Muhammad if you are a boy and Ismi Khadija if you are a girl. Our second word is Min aina anta and Min aina anti. This all means where are you from? But we will use Min aina anta when we are asking a boy where are you from, and we will use Min aina anti when we are asking a girl where are you from. And what are you going to answer when you are asked Min aina anta or Min aina anti? We will answer Ana min Mombasa. If you are from Mombasa, you will say I am from Mombasa. And if you are from Nairobi, you will say Ana min Nairobi. I am from Nairobi. And our third word is Kam umruka and Kam umruki. How old are you? We are using Kam umruka when we are asking a boy how old are you? And we are using Kam umruki when we are asking a girl how old are you? For example, you are 10 years old. What are you going to answer? You will answer Ana ashara sanawat. I am 10 years old. And now we are done for today. Let's meet again on our next episode. Ma salam.